How to fix YouTube sign-in problem on iPhone. Can't log into a YouTube account on iPhone? Let's fix that step by step. Start by opening Safari and logging into a Google account there. If that works, the problem is isolated to the YouTube app. Offload the app via iPhone storage settings. Go to Settings. On the search bar, search for Storage. Here, scroll down until you find YouTube. Click on it and click Offload App. This clears cache data without deleting the app settings. If you're using two-step verification, temporarily disabling or updating the method may help the sign-in go through. Once you're signed in, everything should be back to normal. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.